Hey guys, welcome back. I am exhausted. It's been a very long day, very long week, a very interesting month. Yeah, I'm ready for 2021, let's just say that. Anyways, I am currently actually just in my own Christmas attire shop. The website at sirbrandonnicholas.org. I have sweaters, a mug, and I actually have some more products that I think I'm going to be releasing shortly. I'm still thinking on that. If I don't have them this month, they'll be released within the new year. But anyways, we've just got our live tree. We had to go to this horrible Christmas tree farm because basically all the spots that we normally go to were like closed, sold out, or shut down. So yeah, we got the tree. And I'm about to go head upstairs and decorate that right now.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas. dismissed. We're gonna dance.
We're gonna
okay?
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance.